Today we will study about the land revenue system during British rule. The land revenue system which was implemented by Britishers in India. There are the three types of land revenue system in that period. First was zamindari or permanent settlement system. Permanent settlement system was introduced in 1793 and it was prevailed in the areas of Bihar, Bengal, Odisha and Varanasi. Mainly in regions के अंदर ये implemented था. Total India का, the total part of British rule in the 19% part of that area which was governed by Britishers, this revenue system was implemented. The main officer of British rule in India, that was John Shore, who devised this type of land revenue system, and during the governor generalship of the Cornwallis, this system was introduced. So पहला system that was permanent settlement system or also known as zamindari system. The second system which was prevailed in India for land revenue, that was Raiyatwadi system. Raiyat means the peasant, farmers को रैयत कहा जाता है, and this system was implemented, Raiyatwadi system. It was implemented in 1820 and it was prevailed mainly in the South India, that is Madras, Bombay एंड कुर्ग रीजन. कुर्ग जो मैसूर के पार्ट जो हुआ करता था वहां पर, और असम वाले रीजन के अंदर ये सिस्टम प्रिवेल था. टोटल इंडिया के 52% पार्ट में रैयतवाड़ी सिस्टम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था एंड इट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द टू ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स. वन वाज थॉमस मुनरो एंड द सेकंड इज अलेक्जेंडर रीड, एंड ड्यूरिंग द governor generalship of Hastings, Lord Hastings, this system was introduced. The third system was Mahalwadi system. Mahal means group of the villages. तो village के group से एक साथ revenue लिया जाता था, and this system first introduced in 1822 and after that in 1833 it was reorganized by William Bentinck. It was mainly prevailed in some areas, that is the central province part. Central province जो आज का MP वाला जो रीजन आता है उसके अंदर, और पंजाब, आगरा इन रीजन्स के अंदर, और साथ ही साथ नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर प्रोविंस. नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर प्रोविंस का मतलब जो अभी आपका पाकिस्तान वाला पार्ट है उस वाले रीजन के अंदर ये प्रिवेल था. साथ ही आपके गैंगेटिक प्लेन्स वाला रीजन, गैंगेटिक प्लेन्स मतलब कि जो अभी के टाइम का यूपी और बिहार वाला रीजन है वहां पर. टोटल इंडिया के 29% पार्ट के अंदर ये सिस्टम इंट्रोड्यूस था एंड इट वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय टू ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स. वन वाज हॉल्ट मैकेंजी एंड सेकंड वाज आर.एम. बर्ड. This system was implemented during the governor generalship of first by Lord Hastings and the second time it was prevailed by the William Bentinck. Thank you.